Hey friends, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are planning for the week of November 29th through December 5th. And I have nurse written on here because I was like, oh, maybe I'll use the nurse kit. But no, it's like the week before Christmas. I can't use a nurse kit. So I was just kind of looking through what I have. And I was like, let's do the $2 Tuesday sheets that I have. I actually purchased all of them for this design, so I was like looking at what I had, and we'll just use these and go for it and have fun. So I hope everybody's doing awesome, having a great day. I don't really know what I'm doing yet, guys. Oh my goodness, the penguins. There's so much good stuff. I can't decide. Alright, I don't know what I'm doing. So let's just start. Sometimes I think it's better to just start. I'm going to go ahead and put the bottom washi down and we'll go from there. Why am I making this so crooked? You guys, I totally lost my mind. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm seriously putting this here that it's December 29th, November. Actually, I honestly was thinking it was November 29th. I don't know why or what my problem is. There's like no excuse for that. That's so weird. Okay, let's fix that. Okay guys, I know that wasn't like me talking, but I was just trying to figure out what in the world I wanted to do with this. I had the idea of using these post-it notes, and then I was like, oh, but I found the $2 Tuesday. So I just kind of incorporated different things I have, and I really like it. I think it kind of represents the craziness of the holidays. So it's like all cute, fun, and festive, but also wild at the same time. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you later.